using DC motors. And then we're going to have a stand which is going to house the execution module. We are Team Kinetics and this is our latest product known as the Nanobot. What is Nanobot? Nanobot is a compact remotely controlled robotic arm designed for precision handling tasks housed in a 3D printed acrylic sheets. The product enables smooth and accurate remote maneuvering, allowing the device to lift and place objects with high precision. Next, Lokesh Yashwant.
Hi guys, the components which we used in this nanobot are, we used 3 servo motors, one in the claw, one in the elbow, one at the base, and we used servo motor which help us to control with Bluetooth. And the minor components of this nanobot are wires, we used 3.7 voltage lithium batteries, and my friend Lokesh will come.
So next we'll develop the code. We are given 3 servo motors and ES32 chip and some wiring. So basically we thought to build a complex project, but it seemed really difficult because with 3 servo motors we can't make the servo to move all 360 degrees. So we made it in the range of 180 degrees from here to here, that's it. So it has a minimal range and it can lift up to 100 grams, 200 grams. And it has some basic accuracy so that you can just put it in a small surface area, not big surface areas. So the code is like we used ES32 for Bluetooth because it's a totally controllable Bluetooth chip. And next we used those 3 servo motors, one at base, one at elbow, one at claw. So the base we use for rotating to go to the position where we want, and the elbow is used for the bending to reach the point where we are going to put the object, and the claw is to control to hold the object. Should you open it or close, the claw will be controlled. Next, the code. So first I thought to make the code by using the normal basic servo motor code, and I used it by including if or if conditions. But then I got to know that the movement was really very fast. It was giving some sudden jerks. So due to this, what I did is I used for loop. Using for loop, it goes in a smoother way. It looks more attractive in this way. And next what I did is I used the reset positions, because when I am turning off the Bluetooth, it should automatically go to the main position where it should be. So I used the reset position for the main position. So using this basic code, I made a good looking attractive project.
So it has a lifting capacity of 100 to 200 grams. And the key feature is that we are using it to control from the app called Servo BD. And it has the ability to have pinpoint accuracy, and it is controlled through this stuff. So using the ESP32, we programmed it. Use art, like this is a normal card, like thermocol sheet, and there are PVC wires we use for connections. In these connections, we are also burned ESP32 chip in the process. So we took another one, but this time we planned it carefully. First, we started with the servo motors with the connections. Then we went to the power connections with the lithium batteries, and we used a 5 volt voltage regulator for the power regulation.
So in conclusion, our nanobot is a robotic arm which can be remotely operated, and to make this project we've combined basic coding along with 3D printing and electronic components, and with further improvements we're sure that we can create a final product which has more advanced use cases and which can lift heavier loads.
Of the robot, then we will assign it a simple task. 3 bays on all 3 joints. The simple rotation in each side, and we can move it up and down. And we can close and open the claw as we wish. This is a half distance and this is completely closed. Now it's a simple demonstration. That's it.
good. Nice, guys. Very good. For the team? Okay. So, as a trainer, I'm just giving a feedback for this team. So, what I have observed is the team is really well disciplined. So, that is the most important thing any teacher or a trainer will look in a student. Because, like, if you are disciplined, maybe you will have more chances to learn. So, I'm not asking like discipline is something like which you need to be silent or something. It is what I'm expecting is simple, like they need to understand the things and they are in the learning mindset. So, that's what I call discipline. So all the 5 members, since the day one I have observed, the team is well behaved and they are having good discipline, and especially like the team coordination, like whatever the in charge of the team is there, like he did his best. Like Lokesh and others have performed really good, and they have completely been successful in developing the project. I'm really happy for the team, and I wish you good luck for your next projects and your next career. Thank you.